But I really enjoy, woodwork. Right now I'm working on 2 nightstands for Liz. It's taken a little longer than she probably wanted them to take.
When did you start?
I think we're going on about a month and a half now.
No, that's not that long.
Not that long.
I would have said 4.
I told her it was going to take 2 days.
Did she draw the specs on the nightstand?
She gave me the printout from, where was it, Restoration Hardware, someplace that she wanted them. And of course, when I saw the price tag on it,
it's like, I'll just make them.
I can build those. So I don't think she's going to be commissioning any more furniture through me, but at least it was worth a shot.